camera shy. You camera shy. Right, do you know what we got here? Apart from this big baby, we got here my new stainless exhaust from PPTuning. This got to be changed because, well, got an MOT coming up. We want stainless and side exit. So links can be found in the description for PPTuning. They do loads of different types of exhausts, but I chose a stainless side exit. Alright, let's go get it fitted. You gonna help me? No? Right, so we've got the van jacked up. Got some 3-ton axle stands. Got a 3-ton jack. Right, so it's a bit hard to see, but that's where the exhaust comes down. And this is just behind the engine, behind the gear selector. Yeah. So we've got these, there's 3 bolts here to take off. I'm going to lube them up with some WD in a minute, let that settle in. Get our WD. Then we'll be removing the exhaust, this section, the cap, all the way down. We'll get the exhaust off first. Yeah, no back box. Yeah, so we'll get the exhaust off, we'll line them up next to each other, and then we'll fit the stainless side exit. Right, so we've got the 3 bolts disconnected now, got them all off, happy days. So we've got a few of these mounts to take off, I don't know if you can see that very well, rubber mounts, and then the exhaust should just drop straight down. So I'm going to put you down over here, and we'll get on with it. Right, so there's the first rubber. That one's seen better days. Could do with replacing. Not bothered. Another rubber here. In the middle tilt box. And I think there's another one down the bottom somewhere. A couple down there. Right, let's shimmy our way down. Right, now we've got that exhaust off. Let's see how easy this new one goes on. Yeah, so this exhaust from PPTuning, it does come with new bolts, nuts, didn't come with a gasket, but that's okay. Yeah, we got the gasket from Just Campers. I think it was like less than £4 with postage, so not too bad. Which way do I want to go? Yeah, she's all right, nipper. Never mind the weather, she's walking up her ass, nipper. Bloody dusty. Don't know I'm trying to do a video. It would be so much quicker when you got me ratchet spanners. You can't be asked to get back up again. That's not up tight, I've only done it tight-ish. I'll tighten them all up in a second, once I've got the rest of the exhaust on, once we know it's all in place. Happy days. So far so good. Right, so already had a little problem. Yeah, I've got to bend up the can't see anything. That heat shield needs bending up, but that's way too low to the ground at that angle. So if we twist it up, see if I twist it to here, I don't know if you can see, but it's actually hitting on the heat shield here. That's not a problem, we'll just beat that out of the way. We'll bend it. This is the next problem. so I can't have it right up. I don't know what to do. We can have it down at this angle for now, I guess. There's a bit of a gap. So the heat shield's been bent back up. The cable tie, as you can see that, so that's all up there now, holding the heat shield. The exhaust is nice and tight. Everything's all done up. So now we're just going to start it up and yeah, see if it smokes, see if there's any leaks. It should be fine. And then we'll take it for a spin around the block. And then I think we are ready for an MOT. Happy days. Plus there's a mount missing here. Well, I presume there's a mount that's supposed to be there. Right, let's fire up and see if there's any smoke or rattles. Simply lovely. So that's the stainless exhaust done. I'm going to go in now and have a look and see what the weights were. But there's no rattles. Seems alright. I'm going to have to take it for a test drive. So I'll put a little clip in here of a little test drive. Right, so I'm sat here doing the edit and I haven't taken it for a test drive. I'm not going to anytime soon. I'm going to get the MOT done first, hopefully in the next couple of days, and then there may be a video up about that. Probably not, I expect though, I doubt it. But what we'll do is I will do another video and do a review of the exhaust because I'm well impressed with it. Right, let's carry on. Right, so I'm going to clear up and call that a result, mate. PPTuning, happy days. Hopefully you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. I guess the next thing is MOT. Simply lovely.